We are in the Bahamas, baby! We took the Oasis of the Seas by Royal Caribbean and we ended up in the Bahamas for one of the days. This is the second part of our cruise video. This video is about our day in the Bahamas on Pearl Island and swimming with the pigs. More like feeding them and watching them but hey, it was still a really cool experience. So our ship brought us to the Bahamas bright and early and we headed off the ship. We had to meet up in front of the ship to walk to our ferry that would take us to the island. It was about a 30-minute ride. So the first part of the day, we would chill on Pearl Island. The island was beautiful. It was secluded and quiet, and just look how beautiful this place is. Snorkeling and paddle boating was all included on the island, but we mainly laid out. We walked around a bit in the water. The water was really cold, but it was really blue. It was so pretty. It was very windy that day, but all in all, it was so wonderful. Around lunchtime, they had fried grouper, coleslaw, barbecue chicken, and some rice. It was very good. I really liked the grouper and the coleslaw, and the chicken was excellent. Honestly, the whole meal was delicious. After lunch, our group got on another boat just to float across to the Pig Island, which was like right by Pearl Island. That's where we met with a woman who gave everyone instructions on how to feed the pigs. You don't want to lose a finger. They handed out cups of apples to feed the pigs. They released the pigs, and the pigs went to town finding those apples from us. They were really big. The big pigs were all females, and some were pregnant. We got to hold baby pigs. I was very surprised that they were only 1 or 2 days old. They were so cute. Their hair wasn't as coarse as the mama pigs, so I got to hold one, and so did Ghost. Then we ended up laying out on the beach as well until our boat arrived to take us back to the ship. The Bahamas was beautiful. Also, here's a sped up video of how big the Oasis of the Seas was. That thing was giant, like, whoa. I can't believe I'm on that boat right now. It's like a city. So Ghost and I arrived back in our rooms all sunburnt and tired from the day, so we ended up watching a movie and ordering room service for the night. I hope you enjoyed our day in the Bahamas. The next video will be our day in Jamaica, so please be sure to subscribe to stay tuned. Love you guys!
Hello.
I get all shy and then I start wobbling. I get all shy and then I start wobbling.